So I used to be a bit confused about this, but I was just using circular logic. And logic comes from logic boards, and the chairman of the board was Ole Blue Eyes, which are a recessive trait, and traitors walk the plank, aka a board, and bored kids ask, are we there yet? But we are not there yet. Because kids are goats, and goats eat oats, and little lambs eat ivy, and ivy equals 4, like the 4 seasons, in the circle of life. And if there's one way your logic, or a fire truck shouldn't go, it's in circles. But now I finally got it straight. It's because they used the red paint on them.